This little device has been wonderful for my kitchen and my sanity. Love my kids, they're incredible. They're at that age where they take care of themselves a lot and create a lot of meals, but I don't know if you've ever noticed, they're not always the cleanest as they're learning to cook. You'll come back into the kitchen after they've made a meal for themselves or others to utter devastation all over because they just threw the gross spoon they were storing the pasta sauce with on the counter, or they put the lid from the dish onto just the countertop as well, and it just made an absolute mess. Well, that's where this comes in. This is a silicone rest. It's great for right by your stove so that as you're prepping food, as you're cooking food, you've got a great place to put everything you're using. And when I say everything, I do mean everything. By the design of this, you can see it's got a lot of different slots so that no matter what kind of utensil you've got going on, you have a spot for it. And now, oops, it goes there. You've got a spot for it. Now, the reason that we picked this one specifically will become clear in just a second. If you ever had some of these before, you know that when you put a heavy lid on them, a lot of times they collapse, or a heavy item on them, they collapse. But this one actually comes with, ta-da, a built-in frame. I'm gonna pull it out of there right now so that you can see it. It comes with a built-in frame, so it's not just the silicone piece trying to hold everything up. It's got a frame. It's got something to actually rest upon. Now, this itself, it is dishwasher safe, so once it gets dirty, you just kind of throw it in the dishwasher and you're good to go. So do yourself a favor, whether you're cooking yourself or you've got kids like I do that are cooking and leaving a mess, get something that just kind of contains it, that's easy to clean up, that you can throw in the dishwasher. That's where this comes in. Check it out. I think you're gonna love it.